All right, guys, we are reviewing international Etsy stores, looking at what they could be doing better, what they are doing really well, and what they could do to increase their sales as much as possible. So we're looking at BeTiScrafting, BeTiStCrafting, mom and dad selling small everyday helpers in Germany. Okay, good logo, good header. Oh, very nice. Only up since 2023. Oh, congratulations. No. Oh, you got an announcement for 2021. What is this established in 2023? You've been around longer than that. I don't know what's up, but that's okay. Let's see. Good reviews, good number of sales. Congratulations, Tim. That is excellent. Having more than 1,000 sales on an Etsy store is a really big deal. Congratulations. All right, what are we looking at here? All right, the items are, IKEA adapters. IKEA is a great niche to work on. If you can make accessories for IKEA stuff, they tend to do quite well. Let's see here. What's the most well, I'm going to look at reviews first and see what the most popular item is. All right, seems to be this thing. What is this item? All right, description. Stock trip trap, Trollfast metal basket and plastic basket. Okay, so these keywords, IKEA adapter, you might be able to put more keywords into this, I think. But let's see here. What is the pricing? We got black. We got this. Okay, so it's $8 for it. That's good pricing. That's what you want. What is the item? I'm not clear on. Okay, I got you. Oh, so it's a little lipper doodle there. And you have video. Good. You have video. Video really improves your search rankings there. Oh, it shows how to install it too, so people know how to use your item. Great use of video. Excellent. Good work. Very nice work. Okay. I get it. Oh, just show how strong it is. Oh, good idea. Oh, that's all great. Fits exactly as expected. Good reviews. Yeah, I would say improve the title a little bit and then go through here. Let's see here. What do you got? Learn more about this item. Good description. Lots of info. That's excellent. Ships from Germany. Sorry, this item doesn't ship to the United States. Contact the shop. If you want to expand your sales outside of Germany and outside of the EU to the United States, so you can get access to the United States, Slant 3D has a plugin where you can go and just match up a listing to a file. And then when somebody buys that item, Slant 3D will print the item and ship it directly to a customer. So you can, so you are able to get access to the United States without being in the United States. That way you're able to ship faster because you don't have to ship from Europe. You can ship cheaper because you don't have to ship from Europe. And your customers have a better experience because it's right there in the United States. So you still maintain a lot of money. You are able to have a better customer experience, and you're able to get stuff to people quicker. So all of those are good for the store in general. But the description and the layout and the setup of all this, you show all the different colors, good work. That's the thing to do. Like, this is good layout of the store. Good thumbnails. I would say like a thumbnail like this one right here is a little bit rough because I don't know what I'm looking at. If you could do more of a close-up on it and then have the title, lay it out in a little bit more detail, that'd be the thing to do, because it just becomes clearer what the thing is then. But what do I know? You've got 6,500 sales. You're doing fine. But to improve it a little bit more, the thumbnails could be tweaked just a hair. Also, you can put stuff on sale. If you put stuff on sale, everybody who follows your store, and you have 71 hours, but if you put something on sale, everybody who follows that item or has it in their cart will get a notification, and then they're reminded to come buy it. So using small sales, like 5% sales, is a really good way of increasing sales. All right. Congratulations. Good work, Tim. This is a very nice store.